Careful, you'll get the shaft.
That's a big shaft. They looked at it and it's like, damn, this thing has been beat on. It's Frankenstein together, and they didn't want to mess with it.
So like a lot of other projects, this started because we had to replace one part on Harold. One part.
Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. For this episode, we are continuing on Project Harold just because we got a new part in. This shiny shaft right here. This has been something that I've been waiting to actually get done for a little while.
So like a lot of other projects, this started because we had to replace one part on Harold. One part. And that wasn't even the whole drive shaft. That was just the bearing on the drive shaft.
Yeah, like everything else that I am absolutely guilty of while I'm in here, I might as well take care of this. And I can't be 100% at fault for this because, truth be told, I actually sent some pictures of the truck to a friend of ours in Nova Scotia who I just happened to meet in one of the truck forums, and he told me, hey, I think your carrier bearing is shot. So, like, okay, well, while we're in here, let's go ahead and take care of it while the bed is off. It's so much easier to take the drive shaft off and get it taken care of. Plus, we also had the other suspension parts off. Everything just made sense.
The bed was off, everything was dismantled back there. It was perfect timing, except that we don't have the tools required to change the carrier bearing.
Yeah, so let's show you the carrier bearing and what we're talking about. All right, so here is your carrier bearing that you will find on all two-piece drive shafts. And yeah, clearly the seal is no good. It's been banged up a few times on both sides, so it needed to be changed out. And you have to have a press to take this off and put the new one on, which we do not have. So I took this to a drive shaft shop, and they looked at it and it's like, damn, this thing has been beat on. It's Frankenstein together, and they didn't want to mess with it. They felt that I would be better off just end up replacing it completely. So, in everything else that we do, if we are going to replace something, we want just as good OEM or better. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get rid of the carrier bearing issue and actually move to a single piece drive shaft.
And we came to that conclusion not just on our own, but following the advice of several experts that we talked to, we messaged back and forth with. There's a lot of research that went into actually making this decision.
Yeah, a lot of YouTube experts, or a lot of forum experts.
Yeah,
we'll say experts. But a lot of them were those that have actually done it themselves, and they felt that it was best for our purpose and really the price point. It made sense just to go ahead and go with the singular one. You can order them online for a few $100s, or you can have a custom made one, which we did here.
And it really felt good to have that custom drive shaft expert back us up on that decision to switch to a one piece.
Yeah, so we went to B&T Driveshaft here locally to us in Ohio, gave them the measurement, told them what we wanted to do, and then they went ahead and made us one out of aluminum, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So now that we've got this in the shop, now we're going to put it into Harold, so then we can actually move him once we get him started. Yeah,
moving.
Which should be very soon. Yes, moving.
I can't wait.
It's been a long damn time. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and crawl up under the truck and see if we can get this in there without any issues. I gotta put the front end on,
Okay.
but I gotta first get it through the center cross member.
How are you gonna do that?
How?
Yeah.
Just like this.
You need some help there?
There we go. Okay, now we need to spin the axle. I think I got it in here as far as I'm going to be able to get it for now. So we got to spin the axle now.
And here we have the installed one-piece drive shaft.
All right, another episode and a short one at that on Harold's progress, just keeping you all apprised on the journey, getting him closer and closer to being road ready. So from here, I got to get this dash finished wired up so that way we can start Harold back up. We can actually move him forward and reverse and make sure everything else is working properly before we move on to the rest of the wiring in the rear.
Seats might be nice too.
Okay, all right. Seats too, yes. But until next episode, take care, stay safe, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.